What's up guys, 1982 Corvette. The vehicle towing with no crank, no start, no power at all. As you can see, right now I put the key in position. Yeah, turn on. Turn on. As you can see on the dashboard, no nothing, no gauge, no anything. And we put in crank, quiet, nothing, no power at all. It seems like no battery in the car, or the battery completely dead, or something like that. But anyway, we figure out what's wrong with this by checking it out. You guys stay tuned, and we here diagnose together. First thing I would like to do, need to check the battery. If the battery sits in the vehicle but there's no electricity at all, you guys try to find something, broken wire, bad connection, something like that, and we'll waste no time. First thing, I would like to check the battery first. This vehicle, the battery is located right behind the the driver's seat, guys. And here I already have the my probe hook on, and to check to see we have the good battery or not. Yeah, here we have the ground, and here we have power also reading, good reading. As you can see on the tool, it's 12.4 volts, and something around here. Yep, good reading. So now my tool hooked up on the bowl on this battery, but think about the electricity, it goes inside the wire here, positive wire inside the negative wire or not. We don't worry about, we don't need to tap right on the wire right here. Either we have another way to tag by access under the hood and try to see the power goes there and the ground goes there or not. Okay guys, here under the hood, and I will test to see on any metal here to see we have the ground here. Keep in mind that guys, sometimes we have no power at all because it's broken wire, main ground, or broken the main power wire. As you can see, my tool right here, yeah, I'm touching here on the metal plate, something like that, for my exhaust, for the easy off out maybe. We have the ground, okay, and over here right after the alternator, let me check here to see we have the power or not. Okay guys, we have 12 volts from here from alternator. So from the battery, heavy gauge wire, just single one, go through the engine, go somewhere, and we have the power here. That means earlier around the batteries on the wire, the heavy gauge wire, we don't need to check. That wire is good. So now we have to access the power distribution and to see what the wire harness, the wire goes where. Okay guys, first sorry for flare. Now I would like to go to the power and ground distribution and to see what we have here. Okay, I will go to the wiring diagram, the power distribution. Okay, right here we have two paces, that's for ignition switch and for lighting switch. Because on the 1982 old school vehicle, we were very poor information, guys. Okay, we have here something blah blah blah. I will print this pay out and then we check it. But before, you can see from to the battery or from the battery, I don't know why, let's say to battery. Why they don't say the from battery? Okay, and this only single wire connected to the starter solenoid. So, and from there continue to go to the fieldable link. Okay, as you can see here, the ignition switch, when we turn on ignition switch, we don't have any power at all the fuel here, you guys. But as you can see, we have two wires come to the ignition switch right here from our 3.0 rest and connected together right here. And so, but another two wire it not go to ignition switch, but it go direct to the fusible link. As you can see, this wire and this wire direct to the fusible link. This wire coming out from the ignition switch. We don't care about this right now. Okay, anyway, I will print this paste out, and then we easy to track on it. And anyway, we go have to find fusible link, and I also print out the fusible link and to see if we have any fuel and anything there hot at all time or hot when it in run or start, something like that, and we easy to access to the vehicle and check it. Okay guys, I will have two pages print out from you can see power and route distribution, and this one from ignition switch. Earlier I talked to you guys. As you can see right here, this wire from the starter and goes all here, go to the generator and connect together here, and these two wires it not goes into the switch. So anyway, as you can see right here, the say 15 amp batteries, blah blah. But from the left, as you can see, the default 30 amp and stop hustle 20 amp. Where this fuel on the fusible link. As you can see, first in the default 30 amp. You can see here. Yeah, and you can see right here the default 30 amp. I will check this field first. I will color myself, and another one that's a stop hardware and 20 amp. Yeah, right here guys. Yeah, I will check the field and to see we have the power there or not. But keep in mind that guys, this one is say hot at all time. Okay, yeah, hot at all time. What that mean? That means no matter key on or key off, the battery connected and you will have the power right there. Okay guys, I set the fusible link. As you can see, the 30 amp default field right here is hot all the time. But let's see. Yeah, we have only ground. Yeah, only ground, and the 20 amp for the stop hardware. So it's also ground. Okay, no reason to check some more, because as you can see on the page here, from the heavy wire coming here and go to the field. We don't have the power on the field at all when the key up. So let me turn on the key, and then we try some more field test over there with the key on. Come on. Yeah, the key on now. I try to start, nothing, guys. Okay, on position now. And any field over there, I will check to see. Oh shit. Okay, as you can see right now the key on, and now the bottom field here. What the bottom field here for the what? And as you can see, this one is 3 amp field. 3 amp field right here, guys. And this one is 4 amp field, also ground. 20. That's only ground. Nothing. With the key on, no any field got the power at all. Yeah, we don't need to check the 30 amp here earlier, no matter key on, key off. Okay, all the field is here, no power at all, guys. I don't know why. Okay, let's go to the top one, and it's okay for one more. Now we don't have any power, everything here, even inside here is all ground. Yeah, all ground, no power at all on this. Okay, anyway, let's go back to the wiring diagram, and we have the direction to go there. Okay guys, back to the wiring diagram. As you can see, the fusible link right here, some field has off all the time, like the wiring diagram saying here, at this wire not going to the switch, and we don't have power on the field even when we turn the ignition key on, and it should power out here to the fusible link here, and all these no power at all. We think if ignition switch, if that is inside the ignition switch, and may wasting your time, and you may get wrong direction. Why? Because the wire outside ignition switch also no power. The why we cannot check directly from the back, or even from the ignition switch we cannot check from the back here, guys, because it's very hard. This one behind the fusible link, behind this box, and this the wire behind the ignition switch. As you can see, ignition switch on this model is here, but inside here, no way to take this part, no need to take the cover out to check it. And back to the wiring diagram, I just tell you some idea how we test it. Okay, first thing, you can see this one is to the battery. As you can see closer to the battery, the heavy gauge right here, guys, this heavy gauge wire, and this one is connect direct to the starter solenoid. So from the starter solenoid, it's a little small gauge wire goes into here, going to the radiator, generator, and also here it still generator. But earlier behind the alternator we checked, we had power there, and I don't think we back connection right here. But anyway, on the wiring diagram it's saying this. We have the back connection here or broken wire, or we have the back connection or broken wire behind the fusible link. But anyway, the fusible link is really hard to remove to access in the back. Now I will let you go under the vehicle and check from the starter to see what we see over there. Okay guys, here the starter. As you can see, this heavy wire from the battery, the single wire come to the starter. As you can see in the wiring diagram, from the connection right there. Let me check right here, do we have the power here or not? Yeah, we have power here guys, and as you can see a little, the small clip in here. Yeah, also we have power, and I don't know how many wire connect to the solenoid, like for them. Let me see, this one will go to the solenoid control, I believe. Yeah, let me check it. Yeah, this wire guys go to the one on my finger here, go to the control solenoid, starter solenoid. So I see we have two more wires with the connector here. I don't know what is this. Yeah, and after, let's see, after the connector they tape something. Oh yeah, that means third or three. As you can see, after the one connector coming out the single wire, but this one coming out with double wire here guys. Okay, anyway, I see the copper here. Yeah, let me check from here to see we have the power or not. Yeah, after this wire we don't have power at all guys, and of course no power here, and the net wire also no power. But anyway, I cannot touch it to test it. Okay, anyway, go to the connector here. Let me see. Okay, I will see this. Oh man, look at this. You can see why I see the copper here. Okay, let's see. As you can see the copper here, look like the wire broken from here guys. Okay, let me measure from there to see if we have power. Oh man, it's only 210. Okay, anyway, I can use the tool like, yeah, also ground. And what is that? Okay, behind the connector guys, we got only ground, and before the connector it's also ground. What that means, inside this wire, but why this wire seem like, oh, look like, okay, here guys, let's see, pull it. Oh shit. Yeah, we have the back wire here broken. But anyway, we have the wire already broken, and I will check again on the solenoid side. See, oh yeah, we got it. Okay guys, let me fit this. I don't know on this we have it or not. If not, another connector here, maybe. Yeah, I see. Also see the wire is sharp. It's sharp to me. Yeah, but yeah, okay. Anyway, still tight. Okay, let me fit this wire and we turn on the key. We try to start the vehicle and see what's going on. But where does the wire go? It just broke and I lost it. You can see the broken wire right here, right? And where the connector dropped to. Oh yeah, they pop up here. Yeah, right here, guys. Okay, let me fit this wire and make sure right now this end it don't touch the ground at all, guys, because right now it's power there and will get a spark and get shorted. Okay, as you can see, guys, right here this connect to the starter solenoid and coming out with 2 wires, and this one I thought the connector, but just a transfer wire. As you can see on this one, it's 2 wires here, and yeah, but on this one it's only 1 and 1. But anyway, it's come together in the starter. Behind the starter solenoid is 2 wire and coming out here 3. Okay, I got the vehicle. Okay, now I use a heavy wire here, guys. Later I will connect it to the back of the starter solenoid, and before I do that, this is a hot wire. This wire we have to seal around here before seal to avoid the electrical short. And out up here I already have 3 wire on the side come to the heavy wire, and I've premise here it's good trim it, and hopefully it last long, and later it will seal on this, and also tape some more electrical tape and put it back together where they were, and then test it, see what's going on. Okay guys, it looks good for me. I reconnected wires. As you can see, this is a new heavy wire here connect to the starter solenoid right there. Okay, now put the battery back in, reconnect the battery and test it, see what's going on. Okay guys, after connect the battery, as you can see on that side, passenger side, we have the light right there. So now hopefully nothing else. Okay, as you can see now, I put the key in, we can hear the tone. That we have the fasten your seat belt, the gate something. I don't see any light something, but anyway, let's crank it, see what's going on. Okay guys, that's it guys. If you like the video, please give me the thumb up and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to get a notification every time I put in a new video. And finally, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.